Alright, so today we're going to make this tokwa and baboy. Preparing a tokwa and baboy is just very easy. All you have to prepare, of course, you have to fry the tokwa and then the pork, alright? And then you should have your chili, the onions, and then the onion leaves. I prefer to have the onion leaves because it's really yummy. And then you have to prepare this calamansi, then the black pepper, then I want to put a hot chili savor Maggi, and of course the soy sauce. So I really want to cook this.
Go.
So we already fried this tofu and then the pork, and then I have here the chopped onions, chopped onion leaves, and then the chili green and the red, of course. Okay, so first thing we're going to put it this one. Of course, nilalagay natin yan sa kitchen napkin para ano siya, mawala yung oil. You know, I'm trying to be vegetarian. Char. Meron tong baboy kaya hindi to vegetarian. Alright. So we're going to put in here and then we will just mix all together. Right? Okay. Alright, we'll just mix them. See guys, it's so yummy. It looks so yummy. And then after that, your favorite, we're going to put the soy sauce. Konti lang kasi it's bad for our health. 1, 2. Alright. Then, after that, we're going to put this calamansi. Of course, tatanggalin natin yung buto. Ayan. Dami nitong calamansi guys kasi favorite ko ni Daddy. Pero I don't know if he's going to eat kasi bawal na sa kanya yung tofu. Yeah, kasi may arthritis siya. But I'm really craving for this. That's why I made it. Pero syempre niluto ko naman yung favorite niya na tuna. The buttered tuna is so good. And it's good for his health. But later, the temptation of this, I know, it's really bad. Alright. So, marami siyang kalamansi. Sarap na ito. Nakaamoy ko yung kalamansi. So yummy.
I smell too.
Yeah, the favorite of Schwenet.
I never tasted chili before, so I'm excited to try it.
Alright, that's great. You have to taste all the food so that when you grow up and you're not allowed to eat it anymore, so it's okay because you have tasted it. Because you know, when you grow old, sometimes there are food that you can't be eaten. So all you have to do when you're still young, you have to try all the foods. Alright, so sa dami-dami ng kalamansi na nilagay natin guys. I don't know. I think this will be very yummy. Alright, there you have it. That's the last one. Okay. Ayan. Of course, dahil nalagay na natin yung yan mo naman. Ha! Oh, yum. Okay, so ihahalo lang natin siya guys. Ihahalo. But before that, lagyan natin ng kaunting chili. I mean, not chili, but
Pepper?
pepper. Right. Kaunti lang. Kaunti lang, pero parang ang dami na. And then, of course, this one. This is a hot chili savor Maggi. Alright, and we're going to put this on. Oh, wow. I think this is very hot. It's good for this weather kasi today guys, halos isang linggo na napakaulan.
We can even go to Lola's house.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, kasi ang bowl ko is so maliit. Kasi, I'm planning na kami lang naman ni Shwairi at saka ni Shwinet ang kakain nito. So, konti lang yung niluto ko, guys.
Yeah.
So, now I'm gonna taste it.
Yeah, it is yummy.
It's so perfect. And it's so hot.
Yep.
Yeah. You try it at home. It's really yummy. Okay? How about the pork?
Okay, I can raise up my spice tolerance here.
So yummy, guys. Try this at home, especially in this weather. Okay? See you next time. Bye.
Bye.